Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by preparing both devices. Power the speaker and put it into pairing mode so it broadcasts. On your phone, open Settings and enable Bluetooth. This lets your phone scan for nearby devices. Once done, watch the list populate. You should see the speaker name appear. If it does not show, toggle Bluetooth off and on, then reinitiate pairing mode on the speaker. Sometimes the radio needs a reset for discovery to begin. After the speaker shows up, tap its name to initiate pairing. This sends a connection request. You may see a PIN prompt. Enter the default like 0000 or 1234, or simply accept the confirmation dialog. That verifies both devices. Make sure your phone assigns the speaker as the audio output, not just a headset profile. Once paired, the system usually says connected. If it shows paired but not connected, select the device again and force the audio roll so media routes to the speaker. To finish, play a short track and listen. Adjust volume on both phone and speaker to avoid clipping. Make sure sound comes from the speaker. If not, reselect the output in your media controls. Enable Auto Reconnect or Trusted Device options so future connections are automatic. If things go wrong, try one key troubleshooting tip. Restart both devices and clear the speaker from your phone's Bluetooth list, then pair again. This removes stale state.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.